Today got a little package in the post. It's really battered, as you can see, but it's always exciting to get new bits for the scooter. Let's see what it is. Kind of been mangled. So here we go, some seat frame rails, lower me seat. These are SickSpeed, come from America, really dirt cheap on eBay. I would have preferred black, but this is all I got. I would have been, if I got the black, I would have had to spray it matte black anyway. So I got red because it was all I had at this price. And I'm going to try them red, and then I'm going to decide whether I want them to be red or whether I want them to be matte black. Let's get on and get them on the bike. Just realised just as I'm going to throw the box away, but you got a sticker, SickSpeed sticker, SickSpeed seat. So installing the seat frame, it's not going to take much, just a matter of taking this one off, remove the saddle, put the new seat frame on, and put the new saddle on. So first of all, we're going to undo this. That's all there is to the frame. I gotta remove the seat from the old frame and stick it on there. So if you never removed the saddle before, it's really easy. You just undo these two bolts, and then once they're off, you take these two screws, you pull these things apart, and then you transfer it onto the other saddle and do exactly the same in reverse. So now, you just fit in the brackets. So it's not going to fit because he won't go flat on the plastic. It won't go down and the saddle won't go. So I need to cut a little hole in the seat. Definitely not a 10-minute job. put the brackets on the wrong way round. Me. Still not quite fitting, so I've got to cut a little bit more the frame. Just about there. That's the saddle installed. It looks really good. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these red, because the rest of the bike is matte black, but this is red, so it kind of goes together really well. I made my mind up about that. Looking good. I gotta take it for a test drive.